Hello, in this lab we are going to look at 12.2.9 just to design an outdoor wireless network work at your own pace. So let's start up. The first task is to install the proper antenna on the roof of each building to accommodate a high-speed wireless connection. Okay, so let's see the appropriate antenna we have here. I guess we will make use of this. So install this here on top of the building, install one here, and then let's see high gain antenna. This is also high gain. Alright, so install the appropriate WAP on the roof of each building. So this is WAP. So we install one here. And let's see, attach the antenna that's okay, so install one here, attach the antenna that will provide adequate coverage to the problem area only. So let's see, okay, so we install one here, this one here, and let's go to WAP antennas. We are going to install one here. We drag and drop, then we drag this here, and we have on both buildings. So let's check our answers. Remember, if this video was helpful, share so that others can benefit also. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.